So y'all, hi, how are you doing? Also, your girl just woke up. Look, it's that time of the month. I'm getting that little, the little chin friends that happen every time, but welcome back. I have a confession to make. If you can't tell by my sleek edges here, that I have become, in fact, sorry, this is so hard. It's so hard. I have become a lazy natural. We never thought we'd see the day, but we never thought that there would be a pandemic. I'm working through this. But I've learned a lot, all right? Whew, and seen.
I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream.
Towards the end of 2020, I wore a lot of wigs, mainly because I was busy, but also seasonal depression kicked in, sometimes leaving in twists for way too long. Here's a recipe that I tried that helps me with detangling and reviving my hair after neglecting it for a little while. I kept this footage, and at first I was weary about showing it, but I really wanted to show that it is perfectly okay if you have a lull or a moment of laziness or a word that rhymes with suppression and you just don't feel like doing your hair sometimes. So I kept this real-time footage of me reviving and detangling my hair after neglecting it for some time. I hope this encourages you and lets you know that you're perfectly okay and you're doing great.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you rolled up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here